Hey guys, just in case you didn't know, my husband and I held an awesome slime event on March 2nd called Slime Vegas with the help of our event planning team, and it turned out amazing. We couldn't be more proud of how it turned out. We did so many fun things there. We had a lot of slime workshops. We had a cloud slime workshop done by me, a clear slime workshop done by Slimy Palettes, one of our slime VIPs, and we had a glow-in-the-dark slime workshop done by Joseph Anthony and Mermaid Slimes. It was all so great. I just wanted to show you guys all of the highlights of our event. We also had an awesome food truck. We had a DJ. We had a glow-in-the-dark party at the end. And we had the slime flipping, tossing contest. Anything else, babe?
Yeah, we had drizzle.
We had the cloud slime drizzle contest.
Parent contest.
The parents made slime versus each other contest.
And we had the kicks.
And we had the Kicks by Slimetist. That was really cool. She built a clay shoe in a workshop for you guys. Well, for some of you guys who were there. So anyways, here's all the highlights from the event that we just wanted to share with you. So what did you guys think of that? Didn't it look amazing? It really was, I promise you. And if you didn't get to come to this event, you guys, I have some great news for you. We will be in Arizona in August for Slime Phoenix. We're so excited to do this all over again. Please leave your comments and your feedback down below because we would really love to hear what you thought about this video and what you thought was the coolest thing at Slime Vegas. Also, just want to let you know, please follow Slime Vegas 2019 and Wish Upon a Star Slime Shop on Instagram so that you can have all the updates on our events because we're very active on there as well. And we hope to see you again soon in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.